it's a Colin and Rocky Superstars.
And here's one of our newest Pokeball sets.
Yeah!
We have like a Pokemon in here.
Yeah.
That comes with the ball. And in just a minute, we're going to be opening this up and see what's inside.
Now, Rocky, can you talk to the audience for a minute?
Yeah.
While I go get some scissors.
Okay. So, guys, you may see this is one of the coolest things with the Pokemon. You can get a whole bunch of these on the back because it shows you how you do it. And we also will be, my handy assistant Colin will be helping me with this. And just 1 minute, Colin's going to go get some scissors and we're going to be opening this in just a minute. So, Colin, come on. Sorry about the interruption, but we're gonna open this in just a second, and until Colin comes down, and then
I got the scissors, everybody.
Okay, now we can open this.
Yep.
Okay, now I will
Okay.
open it. Okay. Okay, I'll take this off.
Yep. We need some scissors because there's some tape. Now, you can just, I'll talk to you guys while he's getting it ready. So, Hope,
Yes.
this is how we wanted to do this YouTube channel. Me and Rocky have had a lot of stuff to do for YouTube. We really want to make this.
Yeah, we want to make this until we're like 5 or 6.
I've wanted to make this for a really long time. Like, I've wanted to make it since 5. And Rocky just found that out.
Okay, we've
Now
got
I
it.
need the scissors. Now I just need to.
No, we can show them it.
No.
Do it. And here's what the set looks like.
Yeah.
What can I say so?
Well, our videotaper wants to say stuff to you.
See, that Pokemon side there is Poplio.
And he is one of the greatest swimmers of all time.
Yeah, he's from Pokemon Sun, Pokemon Moon.
Manager is trying to stop talking.
Okay.
Okay. Now we just need to cut that. We're going to cut this.
One.
Now we just need to cut this. Oh, I cut it. Did I cut you? It's kind of tied on.
So it just may be a 1 minute, sir. Okay, it comes with the instructions.
No,
It comes with the thing.
it comes with a little checklist. Hey, Rocky, while I get these 2 things out, how about you just show them the checklist? Oh, and here's Poplio.
Poplio.
And here are all the Pokemon that come with these.
That you can collect.
Yeah,
You can collect that many.
you can click that and that.
Well, there's also a poster on the other side. Can you show them the poster?
I already showed them.
Now, somebody help me cut this poster.
I'll call it.
Okay.
You just need, now, we're going to try and cut this. Cut it. And it's just,
Okay.
now this is our Pokeball.
And you put Poplio inside the ball, and then
Close it.
close it, and then you throw it like this,
No.
and then he pops right out.
Yep.
And Poplio's right on the ground, you see. And then we're
There
gonna,
is a special feature to this Pokeball.
yeah,
So, you can put it on
your
see,
side,
look, you can just put it right.
and it comes with a little sign, Pokemon. And then that's the video. Goodbye, folks.
Oh!